So now, how to run adverts. As I said earlier, this is our welcome to Ad Manager. This is our front page, right? Which is dashboard. So we have to click beside this, which is campaigns. So you click on campaigns. So when you come to campaign, what you need to do is to click on this create. So when you click on create, you will see what is your advertising objective. So as I said earlier, the best one that you can click is to click on lead generation. If you want to make sales, if you want people to engage on your video, your website, the best option that you can click, the best option that you can go for is lead generation. So you click on lead generation, direct messages or phone call. So you click here, then you click on continue. Are you getting it? So you click on continue. So this just pop up. I just need to close it. At this junction now, can you see I add group name? So we have to name our ad. We need to name it. Okay. So I'll use, and then I've named the ad group as campaign 1. Are we together now? Can you see we have 5 options there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first one is websites. I will tell you what the things are up to. I mean the 5 they are up to. So if the website is good for you, if you have online store, you can select websites. But you need to have Pixel. Are you getting me? I don't want to load you too much information. You will need Pixel for your website. And then if you are also using instant form, TikTok is going to show your audience form to fill. Are you getting me? So I don't usually use this. It doesn't work really well like that. The third one is TikTok direct messages, which is very good. When it comes to TikTok adverts, this one works very good and very reliable. Okay, using of TikTok direct messages. Instant messaging app. This works for instant messaging app. You can use it for WhatsApp, Messenger, Facebook Messenger, and so on and so forth. Okay, and then the last one is for call. Okay, this is for if you want people to call you. I don't know the kind of business you are doing, or you want people to call you. You can easily go for phone call or let's contact this through phone call. So anybody that dropped their phone number on your DM, TikTok is going to charge you for that. So, but the best option that I do use is direct messages. Are you getting me? So they will ask you now, which goal do you want? If you are looking for real people, don't click on these clicks. Okay, you select this option. They'll just show your ad to your people that they can click, and they won't show your advert to people that will really buy from you. And then TikTok will charge you that you have 1,000 clicks. Okay, so this is not good for you to use because it's not that useful like that. You don't use it. So the conversation is the best, no matter ad goal or the ad you want to run. So conversation is the best that you can go for. Okay. So if anybody wants to create a conversation between them, that are interested in what you are selling. The lead is good for any people that you want to get their information. Maybe you want them to drop websites, email, whatever you want them to drop on your inbox. They're going to drop it on your mail. So you can use lead, but conversation is the best that you can use. Okay, so target CPA, you can leave it the way it is. Okay, target per cost, you can leave it the way it is. Okay, it's good. So the next one is more option. Let's click in. But this one you don't need anything. You just leave it the way it is. So the budget, you can select how much you want to use for your budget. Okay. So and then here is schedule. You can schedule the timing and then the end time that you want to use. Okay. So here we also have more options. Okay. So this one, day pattern and all that. So you can just leave it the way it is. You can leave it all day. Okay. So if you go to this audience, can you say audience targeting? You can easily use audience control by clicking on this audience control. So here now, you can select Nigeria. You can select any country you want. Nigeria, Argentina. We select this Argentina now. Then you click this arrow now. You will see the state. you can easily select a specific state you want to target in Argentina. Okay, but for Nigeria, it's not like that. For Nigeria, that option is not available. Let's go straight to Nigeria and see. And you see, Nigeria doesn't have that option. Malaysia also have that option that if you click on Malaysia, you can easily select any countries under Malaysia. Okay, so let's just leave it the way it is. Let's leave it as Nigeria. I will tell you how you can narrow your video to specific location. Okay, when you want to target, especially when you want to target Nigeria. Okay, so to the age, I will advise you that don't use 18. Start your ad from 25. Let your ad start from minimum age 25, and then the language, select any language you want. But if you want to target specific people using different languages, you can click it. But since I won't click on all, I will just only click on English. If you have specific country you want to target, you can just choose the language. English is the best. I'll select English. Okay, you can leave it as all, but let me select English. That is all. You exclude audience. You don't need to exclude anybody. So just leave it the way it is. So audience suggestion, we'll take this arrow now. As I told you earlier, that let your age start from 25. And then here is gender option. If your ad is for male or for female, you can easily select gender here, but I'm sorry, this ad is for everybody, so I'm leaving it as all. Custom audience, so just leave it the way it is. Then this place now, interest and behavior, is where you need to pay more attention. You need to take here very serious, because here will determine what TikTok will show your ad to. Are we together now? So at the end of this video, if you don't have any interest in mind, I will tell you the best interest that you can pick. Interest is very important. So you can even click on purchase intention. So this is interest. All right. We have this interest. This is purchase intention. So this purchase intention is people that they buy something online. You can target them. Okay. People under purchase intention. TikTok has detailed targeting. If you click on this creator interaction, if you click on daily lifestyle, there are a lot of creators that into daily lifestyle. TikTok will show your video to their followers and they will patronize you. This TikTok ad manager is well detailed. If you click on comedy, travel, and everything. So, and then this one, we have a video interaction. Under this video interaction, you can select culture and education. So TikTok is going to show your video to people that they've already watched something related to what you want to sell. Like for instance now, it's video interaction now. So if you click on video interaction, then you select, let's assume you select family. So TikTok is going to show your video to the audience that they've watched something related to family and relationship together. So that's the work of video interaction. Okay, and then we also have this creator interaction. So what people are related to, like creator interaction, like let's say your audience are watching some particular comedians, so they are going to show you your video to them. That is why I also love this TikTok ad manager. They will show your video to creators interaction. So your audience have interacted with people doing comedy, travel agents, that TikTok is going to show your video to those people. That is the work of creator interaction. And then hashtag interaction. So this one, you can also use this if you are into fashion. Some people do post videos and then make use of fashion week, Thanksgiving, back to school. So all those hashtags, you can also get your audience through this hashtag interaction. Okay, but I don't usually use this hashtag interaction. So now that I've explained every single part, what I do generally, if you are convinced by what interest you can choose. So if you want to select generally and you don't know the kind of interest you want to pick, this interest I'm picking, just select them. You click on business services, I've clicked on apparel and services and life services. So these are the general interests I'm going to ask you to pick. It's very broad. Just 5 life services. And can also go for purchase intention. You can also go for purchase intention. And you can go for news and entertainment. What else again? I will select pets. Purchasing. So the final one under interest, I'm going to also go for tech and electronics. So under interest, I selected 9. So let me go to purchase intention. So other purchase intention, I also select so under purchase intention, I select financial service, app, news and entertainment. Then I also select education. I will select apps, tech and electronics, e-commerce, business and business services, apparel and accessories. So can you see 9 under interest, then 8 under purchase intention. These are the best that you can select. This what I selected here are so broad. Are you getting me? The interest and the purchase intention. Okay. So if you have other interests that you want to select, you are free to add your interest on with this one I mentioned with you. You can add your interest with them. Okay. So please, I will encourage you to select many interests as you want, so that TikTok can show your ad to people that to make your ad to convert for you. If you are selling sneakers, just search for people interested in sneakers. Are you getting me? You can search for individual brand. Are you getting me? You just come here, you click this space. You can search for shoe, the brand of shoe. You know, you can just search for menswear, fashion, whatever you want. It's well broad. You know, if you are selling air, if you are selling land, if you are selling accessories, as in give TikTok a number of interests. When you are done with your interest, all right, so we'll move to the next one. So after selecting your interest, you will see this switch to manual targeting. So under this manual targeting, I will tell you what you can do in this manual targeting. Let me click here, this manual targeting. So under this manual targeting, can you see demographics? You know, we selected location, which is Nigeria, then age, then gender, language. So we have here custom audience. So under this custom audience, you can leave it. You know, if you want to include specific audience, search or select audience. You know, if you want to, what I told you earlier, just leave this since I've given you the best interest and behaviors, right? So this spending power, I don't usually use it. This spending power stands for, let's say you want to sell something that is very expensive, you know, and you know that thing is very expensive. You can click on high spending power, but I don't usually use it. You want to select people that they can buy expensive things. That's where you can click on this high spending. Okay, so just leave it the way it is all. Okay, so we also have device. You know, if you want to select people using Android phone, iOS, you can select them here. So OS version, you can select, you know, the Android version of phone that people are using. You know, you can select Android, iOS. If you want to select people using iPhone, so I like to leave it as all, because some people are using iPhone, they are broke, you know, but that's that. So model, if you want to select people using, let's say Samsung or Discovery, Google, whatever phone, you can, you know, select specific phones. This is part of targeting, so I will always leave it as all. And you see device model. Okay, if you want to select connection type, Wi-Fi, 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G, you can also select them here. Okay, so can you see carrier? You know, so you just leave it the way it is all. Internet service provider, you know, you want to select Globacom or that, so just leave it as all the way it is. Okay, and then if you have device price, you know, maybe you have a specific range of people, let's say people that buy their phone is from $300. You can select them here. You can select specific range. I mean device price. So, but any price is what I believe it. But then you click on save. Okay, so your placement should be TikTok. That's where you will leave it. So this is how to set up your ad targeting on TikTok Ad Manager. All right. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you are new in my channel, kindly please subscribe to my channel. And then if you are a returning subscriber, you are the real MVP. So in my next video, we'll click on continue, and then we'll talk about the next step of our TikTok Ad Manager. See you next time. Peace.